Hey there, industrial engineers. Let's talk about something crucial, yet often overlooked in manufacturing plant layout. Whether you're setting up a new facility or rethinking an existing one, optimizing your manufacturing space can make a world of difference. So, what exactly is plant layout? It's the arrangement of physical facilities like machines, equipment, tools, and furniture in a manufacturing space. The goal? To ensure the quickest material flow at the lowest cost with the least amount of handling. Sounds like a tall order, right? But stick with me and I'll break it down. First up, why should you care about plant layout? Well, an optimized layout can significantly boost your efficiency. Imagine a seamless flow of materials from the moment raw materials arrive until the final product is shipped out. Less time wasted, fewer errors, and ultimately, lower costs. It's all about maximizing productivity and minimizing waste. Now let's get into the nuts and bolts. Start with a thorough analysis of your current layout. Map out the entire process from raw material receipt to final product delivery. Identify bottlenecks, areas of congestion, and any inefficiencies. This is your baseline. Next, consider the flow of materials. Aim for a U-shaped layout. This setup minimizes the distance materials need to travel and keeps everything close to the action. Think of it like a relay race. The shorter the distance, the faster the handoff. Don't forget about workspace ergonomics. Operator comfort is crucial. Ensure workstations are designed to reduce fatigue and injury. Happy workers are productive workers. Now let's talk about flexibility. In today's fast-paced market, being able to adapt quickly is key. Modular layouts with mobile equipment and adjustable workstations give you the flexibility to switch things up when needed. And remember, technology is your friend. Use software tools to simulate different layouts. These tools can help you visualize material flow, identify potential issues, and optimize your design before making any physical changes. Finally, involve your team in the process. They know the day-to-day operations better than anyone. Their insights can be invaluable in creating a layout that works. So, there you have it. Optimizing your manufacturing space isn't just about moving things around, it's a strategic process that can lead to significant improvements in efficiency and cost savings. Take the time to analyze, plan, and implement. Your bottom line will thank you. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.